Okay, so these are the live visuals coming in. This is Senior Pawar now en route Karad. Remember, this is going to be a massive show of strength also by Sharad Pawar, because Sharad Pawar is now in Karad, and as far as Sharad Pawar is concerned, he would also want to show that the entire flock is with him. The NCP is standing behind him. Even when he was going to Karad, which the party described as a function where he was going to pay tribute to the last chief minister, rather the first chief minister of the state, Sharad Pawar had called on his supporters to join him. Look at the number of people who have now joined Sharad Pawar. The idea obviously to show that the mass support still lies with Sharad Pawar, that Sharad Pawar is still the leader which the public resonate with the most. It's a big show of strength by the Sharad Pawar camp. Now, as far as the number game stands, because that's where really the entire game boils down to. Ajit Pawar says he has as many as 40 MLAs. Sources telling us that at least 35 MLAs are with Ajit Pawar. But if you listen to what Sharad Pawar's side has to say, Sharad Pawar says, no, it's not 35, it's not 40, it's just 9 MLAs. Now, again, yesterday's scene, Sunday coup, that was extremely shocking, because Sharad Pawar was a long time, of course, Ajit Pawar was rather a long time aide of Sharad Pawar, and he suddenly shifted sides and, joined hands with the Shinde-led Maharashtra government. That mutiny which happened in the NCP was something which was a shock to the entire nation. And after that, Sharad Pawar said that he will be heading towards Karad and he will be meeting his loyalists, his clothes aid, and he had asked many of them to come in there. Reports also coming in, a colleague also there. Yes, over to you. Take us through what's happening on the ground.
एनसीपी के ही प्रमुख हैं, एनसीपी अभी भी उन्हीं की है, एनसीपी के लोग भी उन्हीं के साथ हैं,
तभी उनके साथ है. That was of course our colleague also giving us the latest as far as Sharad Pawar's mega show of strength is concerned. This Karad meet is very important. It's not just a regular gathering. It's not just Sharad Pawar paying tribute to the former chief minister of the state, but also a show of strength by Sharad Pawar.
और खास तौर पर वो जिन्होंने शपथ विधि ली है, वो अपने अपने गढ़ में काफी ज्यादा मजबूत और बड़े नेता माने जाते हैं, और इसीलिए शरद पवार जी के लिए ये एक मैसेज जनता को देना, कन्विंस करना मुश्किल होगा साफ तौर पर, क्योंकि जो नेता उन्होंने खुद खड़े किए, जिन नेताओं के ऊपर उन्होंने पिछले 24 सालों में भरोसा दिला के जनता का नेता उन्हें बनाया, अब वही नेता बगावत कर चुके हैं. तो यहाँ पर उन नेताओं के लिए बातचीत जो है वो रखेंगे कि जनता को एनसीपी पार्टी शरद पवार तक जोड़ने की बात जो है वो की जाएगी, ना कि किसी खास नेता से लगाव रखने की बात जो है वो की जाएगी. समीकरण यहाँ पर जो है वो समझाया जा सकता है. समीकरण में समझाया जाएगा कि आखिर किस तरह से एनसीपी बनी, एनसीपी कितनी बार टूटी, और जिस तरह से हमने अन्य नेताओं को सुना समझा, उससे भी हमने ये समझा कि इसके पहले भी ऐसा हुआ है कि पार्टियां टूटी हैं, लीगल एक्शन लिए जाते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पर अनिल देशमुख, हम तस्वीरों के जरिए देख पा रहे हैं, अनिल देशमुख पहुंचे हुए हैं.
Deshmukh is also there with us, and we're also trying to get as many reactions as possible. Latest and live visuals coming in. Sonali is also live with us. Sonali, take us through the latest visuals coming in. This is nothing but an obvious and a mega show of strength by Pawar Senior. There we can see Sharad Pawar, who has reached Karad, flanked by hundreds of NCP supporters and his loyalists. Sonali, over to you. If you can hear us, take us through the latest visuals coming in, please.
Yes, you can. As you can see over here, with NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar, lot of people have poured in here at the Samadhi Sthal of Yashwantrao Chavan, and he is here to pay tribute to his guide and the former CM of the state. On the other hand, it is also an effort to show the power strength of the NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar. On the one hand, Ajit Pawar, led by the faction of NCP led by Ajit Pawar, has rebelled, and he has sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister of the Maharashtra, and the various leaders like Praful Patel, there were a lot of other leaders who have left and rebelled, and he claims that he has 14 numbers. On the other hand, action has been initiated and disqualification notices has been sent. It has been submitted to Rahul Narvekar, who is the Speaker of the state, and right now on the other hand, wherein Sharad Pawar said that he is not going to quarrel with and he is not going to argue anything on the pretext of the Shiv Sena split which Maharashtra has observed in the state of Maharashtra, and the question is being raised that is NCP on the same lines? Are we going to witness a split in the party of Nationalist Congress Party, but the NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar has clearly said that I am not going to argue anything. I will show the strength of the people. I trust people of Maharashtra, and that's why on the second day of whatever has happened in the state, he is on field here to pay tribute to his guru. On the other hand, there is a show of power strength. You can see hundreds of people have poured in, party members, party leaders, party workers and supporters are over here. Slogans are being raised that NCP is Sharad Pawar and Sharad Pawar is NCP. That is what is being claimed. Now the questions are also being raised that will it be again a fight of symbol and name for the party, as Ajit Pawar clearly states that we are still NCP. On the other hand, NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar and other senior leaders like Jitendra Awad are saying that the step which is being taken is incorrect, and that's why they do not support this step. On the other hand,